This project is a significant investment for the university and represents an opportunity for the university to really showcase its research capability in life sciences.
The customer had the outline of the building and what they wanted, and the architect had got a really strong vision of the quality they wanted. And really it was for us to decide how we would satisfy that desire for the customer and the architect.
Building within the university campus is really very challenging because it's a live environment. We decided that an off-site approach would suit the challenges that we faced on the campus.
So the off-site vision was to create as much built-in factories, built off-site, to increase quality, to increase safety.
We set ourselves a really stretched target of more than 50% of the value of the building as an off-site manufactured building.
It certainly brings a different set of challenges and a different way of working to address those challenges for the project.
The sort of fine line between success and failure, in my experience, in any off-site project, runs through interfaces and how things link together and connect together. So we make all the components off-site and then we bring them to site and we assemble it.
The project has 5 key areas which were made off-site, one being the concrete frame.
In essence, we took the in-situ concrete frame design and we configured that as a full off-site solution.
The other being the timber frame element on the front of the building. On the concrete frame element, you've got a concrete cladding, a unitised glazing system onto the timber bit on the front, and then the whole building is serviced from a system that's predominantly designed around off-site components like the mega riser and horizontal distribution using modules.
So the mega riser arrived at IBRB. These pieces were then lifted up into place and then straight into the top through the roof and dropped down, lowered in. And all of a sudden, within 2 days, we had a fully functional, safe riser that functioned all 6 floors and linked the basement to the roof.
The benefits of using an off-site approach are often talked about being quicker and easier on site.
If we can limit the number of people who are working on site, it's obviously a benefit in terms of safety and disruption to the buildings and sort of operations around us.
So the benefits of all this M&E coming in on large frames and pre-assembled off-site was basically all we had to do on site was the small run-offs and the second fix. This hugely de-risked the programme.
We can control the materials and batch the materials in a much more controlled fashion.
Much smaller amount of deliveries.
So we don't need to bring lots of force work and form work to site.
I think that this project's been a real success.
I think they've got a building that will perform really well for them. It's built really robustly, the services are well integrated, they've got high levels of sustainability.
Well, I think the secret to any off-site project is it forces collaboration. Unless the frame or the structure is talking to the envelope and the curtain walling and the finishes and the M&E, then the project won't be a success.
It's given us benefit of a really smooth build process and a really high quality building.
I think the building will tick all the boxes for years to come.